Good morning, this is Adam from 911 Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at a great multi-pack of solar lights. Available on Amazon Prime, they come with a 30-day A to Z warranty and guarantee from Amazon. And if you're an Amazon Prime member, make sure to take advantage of the free shipping. The concept is simple. They just charge during the day, they're waterproof, and they automatically light up at night. They just stick in the ground and you can put them pretty much anywhere. Made of high-density plastic, they're great for lighting a walkway or just illuminating your garden for nighttime fun. I personally enjoy that they require absolutely no wires. So if you don't want to run wires through your yard, pick this up. We'll put an Amazon link below. A word of advice, the first time you use them, make sure to click this little button on the inside to ensure they come on at night. I gave mine a full day of charging, that way I would get the most bang for my buck. The multi-pack essentially comes in a box like this, and all you do is assemble just like this. I'm doing it one-handed and I have no problem. You're going to have no problem putting these fashionable lights together. And you can see they're bright enough that you can even see them during the day on camera, so they're very bright light. Simply sticking them in the ground on my walkway or my Florida house. No wires, no fuss, no muss, and you can do it one-handed. I apologize for the shaky camera, but you get the idea. I wanted to show you actually installing these firsthand. You can see that it's been raining, but I have no problems there. And there's enough of them when you buy a multi-pack to put all over the yard. Annual cost to run these, well, it's actually free. Completely powered by the sun. You're not running up your energy bill, not running up your electric bill. These are absolutely free once you get them installed. So the bottom line is, if high-density illumination is your thing, then you're going to want to check out these great solar lights. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. You can put them anywhere in your yard. Statistically speaking, burglars are much more likely to attack a dark house than a bright one. So illuminate your yard. It's going to cost you absolutely nothing when it comes to your electricity bill. And these are high quality. They're built to last. You're absolutely going to love them. Water resistant, go ahead and check them out. We'll put Amazon links in the description below.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.